I beg, no vex here. Yeah, bros. Don't leave me there, boy, no vex. Over in the lab. Don't leave me there, boy, no. Don't leave me there, boy. I got 3 children. I be go raise them. I got 3 children. I be go raise them. Bros, I beg. Oh, Jesus, what is this? Bros, I beg, I beg. I beg. I got 3 children. I be go raise them. I beg, take a small. Don't like, this is a risk. Swag Nation, see the risk we take. It's okay like this, I beg. Don't speed. See the risk we take, people, to entertain you. Live on direct on River Niger. Whoa. Oh, whoa. This one that they hit under. You don't go boss, Abi. Swag Nation, the lie. Oh, but my intestine don't come out, oh. I'm not joking. The risk we take to entertain you. I am begging the captain that I'm the only child and I have 3 boys. I will raise them. Yes, so Captain, God bless you. He don't come down with the speed. Yeah, no. This is Swag Nation. Yes, so.
Hi everyone, this is your girl, the wise lady, Nana Akosia Adepa. Keep watching the Wise TV. The Wise TV, Wunyampo.